It's about time. My bad. It's about time. Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger. Now, as you guys saw from the intro, we do have a nice sneaker unboxing today. And what I have to say is, it's about time. Before we even get into this video, I know you peep. Yeah, free collective, you know what I'm saying, face mask, you feel me? If you want some free collective face masks, check out the link in the description box down below. We also have more where that came from, so go ahead and check that out. But without further ado, when it comes to this video, like I said, I have a nice little sneaker unboxing that we do have to get into. Now, when it comes to this sneaker unboxing, bro, I've been waiting on these pair of shoes for the longest, man. I'm gonna say a good 2 weeks I was waiting for this sneaker. I copped this sneaker when a very special event happened. A very special event happened, and I was able to secure this shoe. But it took almost 2.5 weeks for the sneaker to get to me. Y'all saw the box, so y'all know it's a Nike sneaker. To the people over at Nike, bro, here, he's all yours. I understand, bro. We are in a pandemic. We're in a pandemic. But my mama ordered a vacuum cleaner on Sunday, and she got it the same day I just got my kicks. Here, he's all yours. Bro, give me my, bro, as soon as you see Chris Briggs ordered sneakers, send my shoes, please. Send my shoes. My peeps, my guys over here, they want to see the kicks, you feel me? So without further ado, we're about to get straight into this video. But before we get into this video, the Instagram and the Twitter is going to be at IMCHRISBRIGGS and at IMCHRISBRIGGS2. Go ahead and check that out. But without further ado, sit back, relax, go to McDonald's and get you a Whopper, my guy. Because we are about to get it popping. Yes, 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 yes. You guys can see the Nike Just Do It box right here, and you guys can see the knife right here. Make sure you don't cut yourself. Without further ado, let's get into it. Dang, bro, this thing pretty hard to get into. What type of tape did they use? All right, yeah, bro, I'm gonna turn myself again. I really did. Now, the bad boy is open. We're about to get into this together. Make sure y'all can't see my address. Y'all can come take all my stuff. All right, unboxing this bad boy. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Just looking at this bad boy, you guys already know who this is. Hold on 1 minute though. Before we begin to this video, I told you guys on my community tab on YouTube, I said the first person who guessed the right sneaker right gets a quick little shout out in this video, bro. And I wasn't lying. Shout out to the homie Hunter Jordan, because when I posted on the community tab, I said, what's in the box? He guessed correctly. Now, for a lot of sneaker unboxings and pickups that I do have coming soon, I'm going to be doing the same thing. So stay tuned to the Instagram, stay tuned to the Twitter, because, you know, I might just post that bad boy anywhere. Also, one quick thing, the best comment gets pinned. I want to see y'all comments, bro. So the best comment that you guys have is gonna get pinned on my channel, but it has to be the best one. Getting into this box right here, as you guys can see, we got the Jordan box right here. And like my guy Hunter Jordan said, yes, today's sneaker is going to be the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. First and foremost, bro, I can't even get excited yet, because we got to make sure that these bad boys is right. We got to make sure that these bad boys is right, bro. We got to make sure they spick and span. First things first, I'm going to say, these things feel sweaty. These things feel low-key moist. They feel a bit wet to me. I don't know what's going on, but they do feel a bit sweaty. Maybe that leather is better quality than I thought they were. So, when it comes to the sneaker pickup for today, like I said, we had to give it to the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. I just had to do that, bro, because you guys already know, bro, I've been looking for this sneaker for a long time. Not even looking, but I've been waiting to recop this sneaker for a long time. If you guys don't know, the OGs know this. I had the 2008 CDP pair of the Fire Red 5s.
Sometime in 2017.
I just ripped some of the paper. As you can see, everything's already sealed in a plastic bag, dog. I'm telling you. Boom. We have the CDP Air Jordan 5. Oh no, these ain't the ones that came out in 2010, nor 11, no 2012, no 2013, baby. These are the ones that came out in 2008 with that crazy, crispy, clean leather. Those were fire, but you feel me, when my car went out, I had to go ahead and sell some of my sneaker collection to go get another one. You guys remember that video. But I am definitely happy to have these in the collection. One thing I'm nice to have too is that this is the pair with the Nike Air on the back. They got Nike Air on the back. You cannot go wrong with these bad boys. The shock dropped 2 weeks ago, but the main release was May 2nd. The sneaker probably restocked like 10 times after that. The sneaker restocked literally 3 times today. So if you want this sneaker, it's not a hard buy at all. It's honestly an easy cop. Go to your sneaker steal, sneaker shouts, and kicks deals. Turn on your post notifications, and then whenever restocks happen, they will let you know. Or you can get the J23 app for $1.99, but I never used that one. I'm just letting you know. These look great. Nice little white and black sneakers. The icy bottom on the shoe looks fine. You know, I don't see any problems with it. Construction wise, it feels fine. Honestly, I said that the leather feels kind of sweaty. It does feel pretty sweaty, bro. But the leather feels way better than I expected it to. I saw the sneaker way before it came out. Way before this release date, I saw the sneaker. I saw this sneaker probably back in like, it might have been January or February I saw this sneaker. And at first, I'm not gonna lie, when I saw it back then, I wasn't that intrigued, bro. I was gonna pass on it. I was going to pass on it. But looking at old videos of my CDP5s, bro, made me think, you know what? I need to get these again, add them into my collection. And to be completely real with you, bro, the leather is better than the leather on the 08 version. These are fire. These are clean. Nike Air on the logo too. But you feel me? I am not going to get into a full review. I'm going to leave that for another video. Today's pickup was the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red. When it comes to the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red, how do you guys feel about that sneaker? Do you guys think that it is dope or trash? Let me know in the comment section down below. Like I said, this sneaker did restock so many times, bruh. It had to have restocked like 10, 11 times already. 3 times today alone. So the sneaker is easily coppable. But one thing that I will say is, when the sneaker does restock, the sizes go after like a couple hours. So be on your game. This sneaker goes on StockX for like $350 right now. So you don't want this to be a shoe that you want and then you mess around not getting the sneaker when you really wanted it. You feel me? I just want to make sure y'all getting what y'all want. Also, I just want to make sure that you guys are being safe during this pandemic. So make sure you're putting on your face mask also, you feel me? But without further ado, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. As you guys already know, I got more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon. Stay tuned to the notifications. Make sure they are turned all the way on. And all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. Stay tuned for that review and on foot review. And all I have to say is, hey, Chris Briggs, signing out.